Good evening, VV Nation, and happy Wednesday, everybody. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to VectorVest, where we try to keep you on the right side of the market. Now, last night's video, pretty popular, going over customers' picks. So tonight's presentation, I'm going to take some of those picks in the comments section. We're going to analyze those 6 stocks, see if anyone here is actually giving us some good fish. We want good fish in the comments, right? And on top of that, I'm going to utilize Unisearch, and we're going to utilize those same indicators last night, CI times GRT. So if you want to find some fish with the upcoming Santa rally on the horizon, I want to put some good fish on your radar. So let's go ahead and jump in the software and take a look at some of these opportunities. All right, we're in the VectorVest software. It looks like gold still leading the charge here. Here are the 6 stocks from the comments section in last night's presentation. We got Hecla Mining, Barrick's Gold, Solaris, Polyrizon, AppLovin, and Gain Therapy. For the most part, these stocks are up today, except Polyrizon. A lot of pressure here, down 14%. These stocks, 5 out of the 6 have buy ratings. Now, if you're looking for the better combination of value, safety, and timing, aim for the top of this list. As you see, the bottom 3 here do have relative safeties below 1. In addition to that, Gain Therapy having an RV of just 0.08. So these 3 at the bottom would be my concerns. So these 3 stocks at the bottom of the list would have my attention first as far as concerned. So let's go ahead and jump in the charts to see if there's actually any opportunities with these stocks. For tonight's presentation, I'm just going to utilize some moving averages with a 20 EMA, a 40 moving average, and a 200-day moving average. Now, as far as Hecla Mining, the price pattern alone I like. Lower left, upper right. The green line is our valuation. So the stock is undervalued. Value continues to climb. Hitting a new high today. If you don't want to buy at the new high, I would look for a pivot around 1608 to about 1535. This is my level support I have currently. You see the 20-day EMA moving right into that. So, hey, if gold's going to take another breather, this might just be a great opportunity to take advantage of that pullback. Now, as I continue to the other gold stock, we've got Barrick's Gold Corp. Phenomenal price action. Again, just like Hecla, lower left, upper right, undervalued, chasing value. And you know why I like Barrick's Gold? It's got a strong buy rating here. There's not a hold in sight for the last 6 months. So again, if you're waiting for any kind of retest for this level here, I'd probably scoop this line up. Probably about $38. You can see the 20-day EMA. That's where I'd look for a nice little pivot and see if the bulls can take charge when it comes to Barrick's Gold. Now, as far as the next position, we've got Solaris Energy Infrastructure. The one thing about this stock, overvalued. You see the valuation only coming at $25. Stock trading $51.76. I would stick more to the technicals with this position. However, with price action above the 20 and the 40 right now, along with the current buy rating, I do like this stock at this time. I'm going to be honest with you, do not like this stock at all. And if I remove the 200-day moving average as well, valuation, and the 40 and the 20, you could see price action there. Not a good stock. Nothing about this stock is something that I like. So I'm going to add these moving averages back, and let's skip to the next position. But these are the type of stocks I would like to stay away from. I would like you to stay away from. We want nice, easy trades. Lower left, upper right, rising earnings. Don't overthink it. Next up, we have AppLovin buy rating coming into position just as of today. We see the 20 crossing over the 40, so I do like that crossover in the moving averages. As well, this stock here has some of the best forecasted data of these positions. If we look at sales growth rate, 68%. If we look at growth rate earnings, 46%. Phenomenal numbers here with this company. The only caveat as far as the valuation, the stock is trading at a premium. I do like value moving up in the right direction, and it just crossed above $300. But just note, the stock is trading at a premium right now, and investors are willing to pay that premium. So stick to the technicals. Now here's Gain Therapy. We see the momentum still above the 20-day moving average here. It's a drug company, so see what kind of news is coming about with this company. We see the momentum over the last few weeks here. Volume ticking up as well on the breakout. However, look at volume recently. As soon as price action hit that 6-month high, we could see volume tapering off pretty sharply. So I'd like to see volume pick back up to show some conviction behind this move. Now let's go ahead and jump in the Unisearch part of the program so we can really take advantage of some fishing opportunities. Whether you're a swing trader looking for retirement strategies or just beginning your journey on options, take advantage of VectorVest's Cyber Monday sale, up to 70% off select courses. Just go to vectorvest.com/sale. We are now in the Unisearch part of the program. We're tracking close to 10,000 stocks here at VectorVest. So if you're looking for certain stocks that have certain attributes, this is where you can do it. You can filtrate the database looking for the type of stocks that you are interested in. Last night, I did a sort, CI times GRT. It's kind of like the secret sauce. So no matter what parameters I use here, this is how the stocks will be sorted. 5 stocks you see below are in the list. So tonight's presentation, I combine these powerful indicators with Dr. Alito's core philosophy. We want stocks that are undervalued. We want relative safety ratings above 1. Again, we prefer buying undervalued, safe stocks that are rising in price. And look at the stocks that came in the list. And no surprise, gold and silver. We've got Orla, K92, SSR, Artemis Gold, and Avino Silver and Gold Mines. 3 out of the 5 do have buy recommendations. Now we can filter this list to see if we can find some more fish. Gold, silver, we already know that's hot, right? I've said it before. I like any dip in gold and silver. Next thing I want to do is show you how to utilize Unisearch to find great stocks that meet your price target, right? Some people like cheaper stocks. Some people like more expensive stocks. So let's use time of search. Under parameter, I'll go to stocks, price, volume, price split adjusted. For the first one, let's go under $10. So I'll go to custom value, put in 10. So this will show me some of the best stock candidates out there on these attributes under $10. Avino at the top of the list here, ASM, Discovery Silver Corp, Evolution, along with XAICF and AEG. Looking at these companies here, RVs well above 1. Great long-term price appreciation potential. Relative safety, you are getting favorable safety ratings, not the strongest ratings, but these stocks are safer than the average stock in the market. And as well as RT relative timing, all of these stocks except one have an RT above 1. So momentum is in favor of the bulls. And right now, the one below 1 currently has a sell rating. But look at the growth rate and earnings on these positions. Phenomenal numbers. So these are some stocks you may want to pay attention to. Now, the next item is let's take a look at stocks that qualify under a much greater price perspective. So I'll go to custom value. And let's just say 200. This will open up this criteria to a lot more stocks, right? So if I hit run search, let's see what the top 5 stocks are based on this criteria. Undervalued, relative safety greater than 1, and then the best combination of CI, which is a technical indicator looking at price growth persistence, and we're going to multiply that by growth rate and earnings. And these are the stocks that came in the list. Again, gold and silver. So some of our top proprietary indicators keep pointing us in the same direction. I'm not going to fight that. And just looking at our proprietary indicators, these are phenomenal stocks. RV ratings, all above 1. RS ratings, all above 1. 4 out of the 5 currently in an uptrend right now based on the short-term price trend. And the forecasted data, double digits across the board, except Artemis Gold here, sales growth rate of 0. But looking at the other numbers here, I could see why these stocks are some of the best stocks out there, and that's why Unisearch brought them to the top of the list. Now, I hope you enjoyed tonight's presentation. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new and you found it informative, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow evening. Good night.
Hey VV Nation, if you want to take control of your financial future and make smarter investing decisions, you're in the right place. Here on the VectorVest channel, we cut out the guesswork. Just data-driven insights that work, showing you when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. And we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers, and every click helps grow VV Nation. So hit the subscribe, tap the bell icon, and start investing with confidence today.